It doesn't matter how slow you go, as long as you keep going. Good morning, my soapy friends. Welcome back to my channel. I am the Soap Chef here on this channel where we make all things with a rather good lather. Short and sweet today. We're going to continue on with demoing our 3D bath bomb molds that we print ourselves. Today we're going to be doing the cloud mold that comes with several different faces with the cloud mold. So without further ado, you guys, let's just go get crack-a-lackin', shall we? Okay, you guys, next up we are going to be doing our cloud mold, and we've got 3 different faces that come with our cloud mold, including the plain top for that. So we've got sleepy, happy, and grumpy for the faces of our cloud mold. Very, very easy, and they come out really, really cute. And then of course we've got the plain one. So same situation, put some in the bottom, give it a little shake, and then I tend to build up this back wall just a little bit. Just put a little bit more mix so that it's building up on this back side, because I'm going to go ahead and put embed powder in here, and it helps to hold that in there and prevents a lot of the cracking and splitting apart right where you have added this. Because keep in mind, all of this powder that I use, the embed powder, this is all really dry, and it's been dry for months and months and months. And so now we're putting something dry into something that is somewhat moist. It's like the kinetic sand feel. It's probably drier than that, if I'm being honest. My mix is drier than the kinetic sand, which PS, and by the way, we're going to be teaching you guys how to make your own kinetic sand. Anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and put some embed powder. I just have like a teaspoon, you know, like an actual like iced tea, not a regular teaspoon. That's probably not a good measure, but a regular like iced tea spoon. That's what I use. And I just get 1 full spoonful like this, and I gently place it along the back wall in kind of a pile. Then I go on to my next color, do the same thing. And finally my third color. I only put 3 colors. A lot of people will do 4, 5, 6 different colors. I do 3, depending on what color the bath bomb mix is to begin with. Then I will adjust my other colors accordingly, because obviously I'm not going to put blue. I have blue, but I'm not going to put blue because my mixture is blue, right? All right, so grab some more of your mix. Things are starting to get a little bit hard on me here because I've been at this for too long. And if that's the case, you guys, give it some spritzes of your alcohol, your whatever it is that you use, alcohol, water, witch hazel, combination of all of those, regular oil, because if you're having trouble unmolding 3D bath bomb molds, especially if they have detail, like if you guys try to use this mold and you're having difficulty on molding it and the design isn't coming out, you need more oil. 3D bath bomb molds are oil hogs. They like the oil. All right, so then I try to put the mixture around the top part of the mold to kind of create like a little capsule, if you will. Keep filling the top, give it your shake. Let's do sleepy face, okay? You guys can see what that comes out to look like. Taps around the outside, top, bottom plate, up and off with the bottom plate. Perfect. Push up, take your fingers again underneath your plunger, putting your thumb on the top, underneath on your plunger, thumb on top, push up with your fingers and down with your thumb on the top here. Grab your cardboard. Turn it over. Up and off with your plunger. And here's Sleepy Face. And there's the underneath. And you can't see those colors because we hid them. The kids aren't going to know that there's hidden colors in there. But isn't that cute? And then you can paint the face, so that's good. All right, let's do it again with the other faces. Actually, I just did one off camera, so I'll show you the angry face. It's all the same method, all the same technique to get, you know, all of them to come out. Bottom plate, oops, outer shell. All right, so we already did Sleepy Face. I'll show you guys Grumpy Face. I just did Grumpy Face off camera. Here's Grumpy Face. Again, there's embed powder in here. You can't see it. The kids won't know that it's there. Okay, so we did Grumpy Face, we did Sleepy Face. Let's do Happy Face. Build up this back wall a little bit. And now I go for my embed powder. I don't use the embed cubes in any type of a shape because the big company that starts with an L has a patent on that. And I am not trying to set myself up for any type of litigation. So I don't use any type of shapes with my embeds. I use powder. To my knowledge, nobody has a patent on that because it's bath bomb mixture. It's basically bath bombs that I have crushed up. All right, little shake. Let's take Mr. Happy Face, turn him over and get some presses done. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, straight up and off, fingers on the bottom, thumbs on the top, push up, cardboard, turn it over, plunger, straight up and off. There's Happy Face. Now on this side you can see some of the colors, which is interesting, but on the underneath side you can't because we built up that wall, right? So there's the Happy Face. And then we'll just do a plain one because that's what comes with the entire set. All of these face plates come with this set on soap-chef.com. Shake, let's build up this back wall. Get our embed powder. You can overlap your powders. It's not a big deal. There's no right or wrong way to do any of this kind of stuff, you guys. We're creators. However you want to create it is how it's going to be. And that's not a right way to do it, and that's not a wrong way to do it. It's your way of doing it, right? That's how I look at it. All right, let's take our plain top and stick that on there and give it some presses. Everybody does it differently, you guys, is my point. A lot of people who use these molds do everything in their hand. They mold, they unmold, they tap, they do everything, they fill. Everything they do in their hand. I can't do it that way, sorry. I do everything down on the table, inside of this box. That's how I do it. Again, that's not right, that's not wrong. That's my way of doing it, and it works for me. And I've been doing this a really long time. And there's just a plain cloud with no features. Again, you can't see underneath there that there's colored embed powder. The kids won't know. And you can do whatever you'd like on here. Put some cocoa butter drizzle on there, paint a face, paint little raindrops coming out of the cloud, whatever you want. Be creative. Go for it. Go nuts. Okay, I think that's gonna do it, you guys. I've pretty much, I think, demoed a lot anyways. I mean, I don't know if I did individual demos on every single one of the molds that we have. I don't think that I did, but we will save that for another time. I'm actually way over time on this video as it is. But that is going to do it for today, you guys. This has been a freaking blast. I have enjoyed being here with you guys. Thank you so much for coming and joining me today for another episode of What's Cooking. The Soap Chef is back, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get rocking and rolling for the season, okay? Till we get back together again, though, be kind and stay humble. Take care of yourselves, because I'm watching you guys. Take care of yourselves, all right? We'll see you soon.